Hey there! Have you been thinking about starting a business from home that actually pays well, but you're not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how bookkeeping could be the perfect fit for you, even if you don't have any experience. Before we jump in, I want to let you know about something really cool. If you're serious about learning how to start a bookkeeping business, there's a free masterclass by Bookkeeper Launch that I think you'll love. It's 3 free classes where they break down why bookkeeping is so reliable and how you can start earning. You'll find the link in the description, so check it out. Okay, so in this video, I'll explain why bookkeeping is an amazing choice for people looking to work from home, how you can get started even without any experience, and the key steps to grow your business. Ready? Let's dive right in. Why bookkeeping is the perfect home-based business. Number 1, stability and demand. So, why bookkeeping? First off, bookkeeping is one of the most stable and in-demand services out there. Think about it. Every business, from small local shops to online startups, needs someone to keep their finances in check. It doesn't matter what the economy is doing, businesses always need to stay organized with their money. This makes bookkeeping a super reliable option, especially if you're looking for long-term stability. Number 2, no prior experience needed. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I don't have any accounting experience. That's totally okay. You don't need to be a math genius or have a finance degree to start a bookkeeping business. It's really about being organized and following a process. Many people, just like you, have started from scratch and built successful businesses. You just need the right guidance. How to get started with bookkeeping. Step 1, learn the basics. So, how do you actually get started? The first step is learning the basics of bookkeeping. This isn't as complicated as it sounds. It's all about understanding simple concepts like tracking expenses, managing income, and keeping records organized. You don't need to spend months studying. There are plenty of resources out there that teach you this at your own pace. And once you get the hang of it, everything starts to click. Step 2, set up your tools. Next, you'll need to get familiar with bookkeeping tools. Don't worry, you don't need to be tech savvy. Programs like QuickBooks or Xero are super user-friendly and do most of the heavy lifting for you. They help automate a lot of the process so you can focus on growing your business. Setting these up is a breeze, and once you do, you're well on your way to handling clients. Step 3, build a portfolio with a few clients. After that, it's all about building a portfolio. You don't need to start with big clients right away. In fact, offering your services to a few small businesses or even friends is a great way to gain experience. It gives you the chance to practice while building your confidence. From there, you can start charging for your services and slowly grow your client base. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1, overcomplicating things. A lot of people think bookkeeping is harder than it actually is. They get overwhelmed, thinking they need to understand complicated accounting terms or advanced math. But honestly, you don't need to overcomplicate things. Start with the basics, things like tracking expenses and income. These are tasks that every business needs and are simple to handle once you get the hang of it. Mistake 2, not charging what you're worth. Another common mistake is undercharging for your services, especially when you're just starting out. It's easy to feel like you should set a low rate because you're new. But the truth is, businesses are willing to pay good money for reliable bookkeeping. Know your worth, and don't be afraid to charge a fair price for your time and expertise. Mistake 3, not marketing yourself. A big mistake a lot of beginners make is not telling people about their services. You could be the best bookkeeper in the world, but if no one knows about you, it doesn't matter. Get the word out. Use social media, online business groups, or even word of mouth in your local community. Let people know you're available and ready to help. Why Bookkeeper Launch is the best resource to get you started. Now, let's talk about why having the right guidance is key. when you're starting a bookkeeping business, it's important to have a clear, step-by-step plan that shows you how to get started, avoid common mistakes, and grow your client base. That's where Bookkeeper Launch comes in. 1. Structured learning. What makes Bookkeeper Launch stand out is that it offers a structured learning path. You'll go from knowing absolutely nothing about bookkeeping to confidently managing clients and growing your business. It's perfect if you want to avoid guesswork and follow a proven method. 2. Practical skills for real-world success. The course doesn't just teach theory, it focuses on practical, real-world skills that you can immediately apply. You learn everything from how to set up your business, work with bookkeeping software, and most importantly, how to get clients that pay well. 3. Community and support. Another big benefit is the supportive community. Sometimes starting a new business can feel lonely, but with Bookkeeper Launch, you get to connect with other people on the same journey. You can ask questions, get advice, and learn from each other's experiences. If you're really interested, be sure to check out my separate video about Bookkeeper Launch, where I give you a sneak peek. You can find the video link in the description, and I've also added the link to Bookkeeper Launch there as well. How to land your first high-paying clients. 1. Target small businesses. One of the best places to find your first clients is with small businesses. They often need bookkeeping help, but may not have the budget to hire a full-time accountant. You can offer your services at a reasonable rate and build strong relationships with these clients. Small businesses love working with reliable bookkeepers who can take financial stress off their plate. 2. Use your network. Don't overlook the power of your personal and professional networks. Let your friends, family, and any local business owners know that you're offering bookkeeping services. Sometimes, just letting people know you're available is enough to land your first few clients. And once you start, word-of-mouth referrals can do wonders for growing your business. 3. Join online communities. Online business groups and social media platforms are great places to connect with potential clients. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and even forums where small business owners gather can be gold mines for finding people who need bookkeeping help. Be active in these communities, offer value, and don't hesitate to mention that you're a bookkeeper available for work. That wraps up today's video, and if you're ready to dive deeper and get a full understanding of how to start, grow, and succeed in bookkeeping, don't forget to sign up for the free 3-part masterclass from Bookkeeper Launch. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.